Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So we have done the analysis of previous week some of the commodities. We're gonna see how they have been worked. You can see that continuously consolidation happen. Somewhere here only continuously buyers are coming first time, second, third, fourth time. Okay guys, at this place only somewhere I have bought. Okay guys, at long position somewhere here only, and I have kept my SL at this position. Somewhere at this green candle is my SL. Okay guys, why is that? Because here our buyers are so much dominated. That's why I have kept my SL at this place. You can see that one-sided momentum. Our first target reached, second target reached, third target reached. These are the some of the logic I have told you in the previous videos also. You go and check out there also guys. I have posted so much knowledge in all the videos where I have analysis, and we gonna see the every week. You can check out that too guys. You can see here guys continuously consolidation happening. So somewhere here only it came downside once again. So somewhere here only it making a reversible at this red candle only. At this red candle I have shorted this area, and I have kept my SL at this red candle high. Okay guys, this red candle high. Okay guys, after that you can see that one sided momentum at second target only I booked my whole profit because this is closing. So that's why I booked. You can see that you have to see the logic and then only you have to trade guys. In crude oil we have got very nice trade in upside momentum and downside momentum too guys. We can see it for a natural gas is very much volatile guys. You can see here guys, I have told you if it will came downside but gap up. You can see that this gap up happened, no worries about it. But you can see here, this is the range guys. You can see here guys, if it doesn't want to sustain, then it will came downside, and this low will be break and came downside. Okay guys, but it broke this line. If it broke this line, you can project the bigger momentum. What happened? I have somewhere here only at this green candle I am seeing. After that only I have bought somewhere here, and this green candle only low I have kept my SL because this is the range following. After range is breakup, boom, one-sided momentum. Somewhere here only at this red candle only I have exited because I don't think so it will goes upside more, because slightly gap up only happened. So I have exited somewhere here only. Our first target, you can see that almost all target we have reached. Somewhere here only we have booked our profit after that consolidation happening. Okay guys, what happened is that first time, second time. Okay guys, second time. So what I will do is that I will take smaller risk and enter in any trade, because of I think that because my risk is smaller and risk to reward is very big, why I cannot enter in this. Okay guys, this is not ideally enterable, but I am know that if I will take smaller stop loss and I will take that thing, so why I cannot take that. Okay guys, so that's what I have done is that I will just mark this line. Okay guys, I will switch it on a smaller time frame so you can see. Okay guys, so 15 minutes time frame. You can see here guys, what I have done is that 15 minutes time frame I am switching. So after somewhere here only what I have done is that we gonna 5 minutes time frame. Okay guys, you can get properly. Okay guys, somewhere here only what I have done is that I am seeing that continuously it's taking a here only support. Once it will break, then it definitely gonna downside momentum. So what I have done is that I have keep stop sell here somewhere. Okay guys, on limit. So I am kept my SL at this position. Because of this position I got the very big risk to reward, so I am not done anything. I have kept here. I have taken my risk is very small guys. I have taken a very small quantity, not very huge quantity. Normally I trade very nicely, but in 50% quantity I have traded. Somewhere here only I have kept my SL. You can see here from here to here. Okay guys, I will switch it on a 1 hourly time frame so you can get properly. So after that you can see here guys, just a second guys. Okay, somewhere here only I have kept my SL. You can see here somewhere here only. So you can see that one-sided momentum. This big candle only I have wanted to book it, but I am not booked because I am expected up till here, because this is broken means it will take resistance and came up till here. You can see that exactly taken resistance, came downside because of consolidation happened. This consolidation is broken downside means it will definitely come up till here. You can see that one-sided momentum. We have got two trades and very small SL is mine. Okay guys, so you can see that how nicely we have captured this thing. And here also guys, why I am enter somewhere here only, I will tell you. One thing is that I was entered somewhere here only. Okay guys, I was entered somewhere at this green candle only, and my SL will be somewhere here. What happened is that my SL is triggered. That notification I have seen, SL triggered after this green somewhere candle is making. What happened, I have booked my profit very huge here. So what I have done, 50% quantity I have taken somewhere here only. Okay guys, here somewhere it reversing, so somewhere here only I have taken my SL. I have kept once again at this right candle low, one-sided momentum. You can see that here consolidation happening, so I have exited somewhere at this green candle. Okay guys, this green candle only I have exited because this wick is making, so I am exited whole quantity somewhere here. You can see that three trade with logic. I am tell you how I have taken and what are the logic behind it. Okay guys, so how nicely we have trade, you can see that guys. So you can go and check out analysis. There I have posted so many learning videos, and what I have done analysis, there are so much learning. You can note down. If you got something like this, you can get the very nice momentum guys. So you can check out those videos too guys. In XAU, and this is the gold and silver. Here is so much volatility guys. I am telling you, so much volatility we have got. You can see that volatility somewhere you have buyed or not, I don't know. Because of this here consolidation, I have not bought because this is the continuously consolidating in starting 5 to 6 hour only. So I am not entered somewhere here. Okay guys, continuously consolidating, going upside. Buyers are, seller are dominated somewhere here only. At this red candle only I have shorted and keep my SL at this top red candle top. After that you can see that one-sided momentum. My second target reached, I am exited because here I am seeing the volatility. Second target only I have booked my 80%. Okay guys, 20% rest I have booked somewhere here only at this green candle only, because I don't want to take my SL at 20%. What that matters. So I am exited somewhere here only. So we have got that trade. After that you can see that volatility, continuously volatility I am seeing. Somewhere here also I am seeing that it may be goes reverse, but I am seeing that volatility is so much, I am not entered. You can see that here also you have entered, so this SL will be triggered. So that's why I am not entered in any trade. After that here once again taking exactly resistance, so I wanted to take a here position, but what happened, somewhere here I am seeing that it taken resistance, so I have not taken any resistance. You can see that exactly here only came market and reverse, boom, one-sided momentum. You can see that. That's why I book my whole profit at last target. What I have told you, if I am bullish, then I will take fresh position and make a small stop loss. So you can see that exactly from here only it reverse. Okay guys, just I will shift. So okay, you can see that exactly it reverse, came downside. Here only I have making a position. Okay guys, why is that? Because this is the my last all target reached. That's why I am taken here only my whole position. If I have not conviction, so I will take a very small stop loss. What I have done is that I taken a at this green candle. Okay guys, this green candle only making a here and reversing. So that's why what I have done is that taken a not very big risk somewhere here at 1827.50 or 40 something. My SL will be there guys. So 127 40 guys, somewhere here only, not exactly, it's getting okay, just fluctuating. Okay guys, somewhere here only I have taken my very small risk is there, so I am not believe that it gonna make a very big momentum. Just I have taken, because I think up till here I will get that also sufficient for me, because my SL is very small. So I am seeing that within 1 hour this is big green candle has been made. So I am so much interested in this, and I am continuously seeing this XAU at the last hour, because this is closing coming, so weekend is coming, you know that. After this green candle has been made, I am so much happy because my SL is very small. So I am booked somewhere here only at this green candle, at this green candle is making, but I am exited at this green candle is making only, because I know that I have got very big risk to reward, and it is closing also. And I am not very interested that it will gives very big momentum, because at the weekend, you know that 4 to 5 hours volatility will came or sellers will came. So I am exited here. You can see that how nicely we have got the trade. Our one target is here. After that we have not taken any trade because of volatility. Our reach after here only we have taken one-sided momentum. You can see here one-sided momentum we have got. You can join my Telegram channel too, guys. There also I will post some of the ideas. Okay, guys. So we have got very nice trade, guys. Here also we have done coffee analysis. Okay, guys, in coffee analysis, continuously volatility we are facing. After that it comes once again for a supporting area. Somewhere here only I have triggered my position. Okay, guys, we have got this thing. After somewhere here only I am seeing this red candle has been made, coming downside very fastly. And so I am exited somewhere here only, cost to cost only, guys. So very few points I have get. So here only cost to cost only, very few minimal my profit I have booked, because of I know that here somewhere double top or making. So I am exited. And also I wanted to tell you, here is the one of the trend line. Okay, guys, I wanted to tell you this is the trend line, guys. Okay, guys, so if this will consolidate and breaks, you can get very big momentum. If it will come next week and consolidate and goes upside, you can get very big momentum, guys. I am telling you here only in analysis video only, so you can get it the videos, guys. How nicely we have got the bigger jackpots in commodity also and forex trade also. Go and check out all the videos. You can get the logic also, note it down. You can get the further also if you individually trade also, so you get the benefit of it. Thank you, guys. Hope you like this video.